Hey guys, it's the radio line. I live in an apartment complex on the ground floor. How do I get on the air on VHF and UHF? Well, actually, I have a way of doing it, and I'll show you guys. Stick around. Now, this setup looks jank, but let me describe what's going on here. First thing, we have a KB9 VBR copper J pole that I had very sloppily painted white just to kind of match the atmosphere. And connected to that, I have some ABR Industries UHF rated coax. And attached to the end of that coax, I've got some Palomar Engineers ferrite chokes to help reduce common mode current and improve the signal. And this is a Savage tripod that I'm using, and it's normally meant for green screen effects, but in this instance here, what I've done was something kind of jank, I understand. So I took some spare PVC pipe that I had, fed the pipe around the top section, screwed this back into place, used some pipe clamps to hold it in place, and then a couple zip ties to keep them from twisting and bending. So now what I can do is I can raise this up and get it up as high as possible. And what I've got hooked up here is an ICOM IC2100 FM receiver. It's connected to my Astrum power supply, and I have it dialed into a local frequency. Okay, now that everything's all hooked up, let's see if we can ping this nearby repeater. It's located somewhere in Minnetonka. Kilo Foxtrot 0 Quebec November Mike. Radio check. And it looks like we got a squelch tail, which is pretty good. So that means we're getting out there.
UH, go ahead.
Hey, this is Kilo Foxtrot 0 Quebec November Mike. I'm coming from Coon Rapids, Minnesota. I've got a new J-pole set up just outside my apartment. How's my sound coming in?
That sounds awesome. Did you try checking into that? Because if you did, I want to get your call correct for the log.
That's Kilo Foxtrot 0 Quebec November Mike.
0 QNMI. I've got you down.
Hey, thank you so much. What was your call sign again, sir?
W0 Uncle Henry. W0 UH.
W0UH, copy that. Hey, thank you so much for the response. I really appreciate it. You have a great day in 7-3, my friend.
Hey, you too. Thanks for giving us the out, W0UH.
All right. Copy that. KF0 QNM, I'll be going clear. So that actually wasn't too bad. Signal's coming in really clear. Love the J-pole antenna. Good coax. It's an older radio. I managed to pick it up from the Stillwater Amateur Radio Club. So got it all set up, hooked up. Everything's going hunky-dory. Even though I'm on the ground floor, things are actually sounding pretty good. So don't be too upset if you're in a compromised area. There's got to be some way to get out in the radio. If you don't have a solution like I do, you can also try out other digital options too, like System Fusion, Wires X, D-Star. There's a whole bunch of different options. There's Echolink too. So otherwise, you guys have yourself a great day, and 7-3 from the radio line, Kilo Foxtrot 0 Quebec November Mike. Thanks for watching.